Welcome to my Sketch Genius review. So in this review, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about Sketch Genius review, including the bonuses and how you can get it at a very discounted price. Sketch Genius is just an online tool that uses artificial intelligence to transform boring image into a very captivating video. You know, they have different features: text to speech, AI. You can upload the image, remove background image, and different tools you can ever think of. So there are a lot of features on this app. You should try much as possible to get it at the official website, which I'm going to provide in the description below. So before I walk you through the reviewing proper, I would like to show you some of the bonuses I've compiled for you. So the bonus one is mastering YouTube for busy profession, worth value of $4.99. So I have several bonuses, like bonuses for YouTuber, freelancers, you know, software, different software. So there are a lot of bonuses if you can get it through my link. So I will provide a link in the description below. So ensure to check the link and get the software for yourself. So the software is very cool. You know, it is being developed by a very renowned developer, Popona. Now I'm going to transfer this video to Popona to walk you through the demo review, to be able to see the interface and the dashboard of the software, so that you'll be able to check it out for yourself.
Hey, this is Paul Pon, and I'm thrilled to share with you a quick demo of Sketch Genius, the most exciting and advanced first-to-market AI video creation app that we've ever built. Sketch Genius transforms any photo or text into captivating 3D sketch animated videos in various colors, sketch styles, and backgrounds that you cannot create with any other app. For the first time ever, create unlimited 3D sketch drawing videos and stand out from the competition with numerous first-to-market sketch styles and themes, including crayon sketch, pencil sketch, both in color and black and white, chalkboard, charcoal style, sketchbook, notebook, sketch logo reveal, blueprint, and a whole lot more. We're just getting started. Sketch Genius is the only app in the market with a virtual brain that uses the latest advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning to fully automate the creation of ultra long length animated sketch videos that captivate audiences unlike any other basic doodle or whiteboard video app that you've seen before. Imagine uploading any image and turning it into a world-class sketch animated video with automatic color grading, textures, highlights, shadows, realistic drawings, and other never seen before artistic effects in seconds without any creativity or tech skills. Imagine pasting a simple text and turning it into beautiful video scenes with all the relevant images, drawings, voiceovers, background music, and animations. The built-in AI finds the relevant assets from our library, which features billions of assets, and automatically creates multi-purpose videos for any industry, including perfectly synced lifelike text-to-speech voiceovers in all the popular languages and accents. And there are no limits on the usage of our award-winning lifelike text-to-speech technology ever. You can even upload your own voiceover in virtually any language, and our automated voice detection and transcription engine will transcribe and sync the voice to your videos without any editing at all. Plus, you can use our revolutionary one-click translation engine to translate your videos into any language to reach global audiences. This means you can now convert your blog posts, articles, text, podcasts, or any other content into captivating 3D sketch animated videos easier and faster than ever before, as the artificial intelligence engine does all the heavy lifting. There is zero editing needed. Using our futuristic AI editing platform, you can edit your videos by simply editing the text. It's really like magic. Want to crop or delete a segment in your video? Simply delete the text, as you can see on my screen, and you are done. Or want to add segments to your video, including voiceovers? Just type in the text you wish to add, and the app automatically creates the new voiceover segment. No need for complicated frame editing. and syncing. This alone will save you several hours of time, and you can see your changes in real time. Choose from numerous hand styles, sketch animated themes, custom backgrounds, and innovative transitions to create sizzling videos that crush your competition. Add subtitles and captions to your videos in a single click. Render your videos in high definition with perfect studio quality output every single time. Since the app works in the cloud, you can log in with any device, including PC and Mac, to start creating your videos without any watermarks or restrictions. Now, let me log into the app and show you how you can create the exact videos that command $500 or more for every single minute of footage that you create using Sketch Genius right now. Alright, so we are in the Sketch Genius app right now. As you can see, we have charcoal sketch black and white option in the first tab. Then we have the chalkboard drawing option, which draws in chalkboard style. Then we have crayon sketch, which basically does it in a very crayon style. And then we have pencil drawing color. So the charcoal sketch was black and white. Now we have the pencil drawing, which is in color. And then we have the blueprint sketch, which creates blueprint style videos. And then we have animated notebook, which draws things and sketches things out in a beautiful notebook. And then we have animated sketchbook as well, which is basically a sketchbook which has animations and transitions and that sort of thing. Now, the cool thing here is that every one of them has our artificial intelligence system built in. So anything that you choose, there is an artificial intelligence system built in. So for example, if I choose this pencil drawing color and I go next, everything is customizable, yes, but also comes with our artificial intelligence system, which converts photos and text into beautiful sketch drawings like what you see on these previews. So here we have different styles of hands and also a no hand option. So that means you could actually sketch out with a hand, or you can also do a reveal without actually having a hand draw it. So there's multiple options here that users can pick. And then once you do so, so let's say we do this female hand here and click next. The next thing is we have the text to speech or voiceover option. So here it is using the largest library of text to speech voices in the world right now in multiple popular languages, dozens and dozens and dozens of these languages. And if you look at it here, we can choose from the languages here, as you can see, and then we can also pick the voices here, as you can see here. Tons and tons of voices here, and then you can adjust the speaker volume, speed, pitch, all that good stuff. You can also hit the auto translate button here to translate this into another language right out of the gate, the script that you paste. So what you could do is you could paste the script like this. This is a script I have for a real estate firm, and then you can use that and convert that into text to speech, and then it'll automatically create the whole video, if you will, and the scenes and the timestamps and all that good stuff. So the syncing of the video is perfect every single time. You can also record your own audio from within the application, or you can also import your own voiceover in any one of these languages that we have here, which have pretty much all the popular languages in the whole world here that you can import and then bring it in. We use something called voice detection technology, which converts your audio into text so that the syncing will be perfect. So no matter what option you pick, ultimately the next step is you go in, and of course you can also enable any background music that you have here and all that. You can play the combination of them and all that good stuff. So if I like this one, I'll pick this, and then I can reduce the background music a little bit, and then I can go next. And you can also play combination to see how it actually plays out. So regardless of what option you pick, text to speech, record audio, speech to text, where you can import your own audio, you'll land on this page where all the scenes are automatically created. This is really revolutionary. Why? It's because every time we talk about video editing and video creation, one of the key problems is it is about trying to edit things and add things into a video that's being created or already got created, right? So here, what's unique is if you wanted to eliminate anything, right? So for example, not oftentimes we create a video and we want to delete an element of it, and this could also be when you already have your own speech and that kind of thing that you imported in here. So you can just delete this and automatically that element is gone right? It's never going to be in the video. The syncing and everything is perfect. Now, this can be also done once you finish the whole video creation process and come back to change things. You can come back to this step and do the same thing. So in effect, rather than you going and doing frame editing or anything like that, you can change things right out of the gate, right here on this section. So meaning you can edit a video, crop things, add things, delete things by just deleting the text here. You delete the text, automatically the video editing is complete. It's extraordinarily easy to use because you don't need to be any video editor anymore. So click next, and then here you can just click one button and enable subtitles. You can choose a subtitle color, subtitle box color, meaning how you want it to showcase. You can even mute the voiceover and only create, for example, a video only or a video with only background music only option kind of setup where you don't need to have a voiceover. This is useful where if you want to just create a video and then add a voiceover later on, or you wanted to create a video without a voiceover, for example. And you can have a custom background. You can add any background here you want. Your video will have this background right out of the gate. So once you click next here, the scenes are automatically created and all the scenes are synced perfectly. Now, this is done for specifically syncing purposes, and that means it simplifies the video creation process for you. No need for you to do any editing, going into second number, 5 minutes 27 seconds, and you crop something. You don't have to worry about all that. All of that is automated, super easy for you. One of the coolest features of the application is our AI image grabber technology that you see here. All you have to do is for any one of these scenes that got auto created, you click on AI images and it will take the script and automatically find relevant images. It's extraordinarily powerful. It uses machine learning and text match technology that is absolutely unique and phenomenal. No other video creation app has this. So now what this is really cool about is it's going to find the script that you created and automatically find relevant images. So in this case, we're saying, are you looking to sell or buy a house? And it has all kinds of house images that you see here. Pretty phenomenal, right? And you can go next and you can find different types of houses. You can even remove the background of it. You can do all kinds of good stuff. So let's say I chose this one. I can just remove the background of this and I can put that, or I can keep the background as well. It doesn't matter. It's going to draw perfectly in that style that you've chosen. In this case, we've chosen pencil sketch, and it's going to draw that, and it's going to actually look beautiful like a pencil sketch drawing. The preview is just there to show you how it might look like, but the actual end result will blow you away. That's how phenomenally powerful it is. Now, you can do the same thing for the second scene here. In this case, we're talking about long-term investment, and buying a property is a long-term investment. So you just click on AI images and it's going to find something to do with investment, right? Long-term investment, accounting, and finance and that kind of thing. Wow, this looks nice. So we can just select this one and immediately have this one ready to go. And you can choose from different varieties that our AI system will basically suggest to you, right? And obviously it's gonna beautifully do that process. Now we can do the same thing again for every one of these scenes there, or you can actually go into the upload button here to my right, and then you can actually search for them using our library. So we can go here, for example, and we can say, for example, contact us, or we can do anything to do with discounts. And if you like this one right here, you can either remove the background of it or even select this one, and you can do that. You can mix and match. You don't have to rely on our AI images system. You can also use your own images that you can upload from anywhere you got, or even use our own royalty-free image library, which is billions and billions of images and photos that you can grab. And that's the most powerful thing about this. You don't have to really rely on assets that we give you, or some type of format of a file that maybe only 20, 30,000 are available out there. You have billions, so you never run out of actual assets to use. And then again, as you can see here, we can click on the AI images again, and then we can find more actual here with special deal. That looks nice. I'll use this, and then we can go on in this process. It takes just a couple of minutes, really. Very, very fast, very easy to use. No need for any extra applications or anything like that. And of course, if you have anything in your computer, say for example, I have some of these here that I want to use. Say for example, for contact us now, I wanted to use this image right here. I can do that too. So if you brought this in from some other place, or from your hard drive, or your client send this over to you, you can use that too. And also we have something really cool. We have intro and outro as well. So you could add an intro and an outro. So an intro, for example, would be something to do with like a animated logo reveal or a brand reveal or something like that. You add that intro in and you can put the text and the image, and it's going to sketch that logo, and you can have any text drawn over in the screen. It's just phenomenally powerful. And also you have the same thing with the outro. You can say contact us, call us at this phone number, or email us here, or go to our website here, www.domain.com. You can add a sketch image here, which is basically a logo or anything like that that you want it to sketch, or any image you need. So then what's going to happen is it's going to beautifully, professionally do that whole process for you, and super easy for you to do. Okay. And once you're happy with what you see here, boom, click next, and then give it a name. So I can name this, for example, real estate project demo, and then I can give a resolution I want, and then click create video. Okay, that's it. Click create video, and then boom, it's gonna start doing its work. So as you can see here, once it's finished, this is how this looks like. Let me show you here. You can preview the video here. Right, as you can see here, it looks beautiful. Again, using the different styles like the crayon sketch, pencil sketch, charcoal, or any format that you see. There's tons of these beautiful looking video formats, completely created with the AI powerful system. And now the other cool thing here that you can do is you can download the video by clicking on the download button here, or you can even edit this video or clone this video. So for example, if I wanted to clone this, and we have a progress bar that shows you how long it takes you to finish the video. Generally, it's going to take anywhere between 25 to 30 minutes for a shorter video. For ultra long length video, it could take up to a couple of hours, but it is world class because we have a really high level video rendering technology on the cloud that is super sophisticated and makes it super powerful, where even if tens of thousands of users render, it's not going to take you that much longer than if you were to do it individually yourself. That's how quick it is. So now you can click clone, and we can actually clone this whole project. It'll take all the variables like the images that I chose. It's going to take, for example, the script that I chose, the voiceover I chose, the style of video I did, and I can do all that, and I can readily restart this whole process right out of the gate, which is extraordinarily powerful, as you can imagine. That's basically Sketch Genius in a nutshell. It is the easiest application that you can ever use to create professional looking videos. And what's fascinatingly powerful about this is it converts any photo, any image, anything you throw at it into a beautiful looking charcoal sketch, chalkboard drawing, crayon sketch video, pencil drawing video, blueprint sketch video, animated notebook, sketchbook, and all these different varieties. We have a lot of transitions, different hand styles. We have different animations that are automatically created based on what you want to customize. And it is so easy to use. It really took me 2 minutes to create a video. That's how powerful it is. And here's the best part, because it's all in the cloud. It never takes up the computer space. It works on Mac, PC, mobile devices. It works on iPads and all kind of good stuff. And the beauty is it uses our server resources, so it never slows your computer down or anything like that. So it is something that you can utilize on the go, create these videos on the go. And of course, the best part here is that these types of videos are something that no other application in the planet right now can create. None. There's none out there. That's what makes it so powerful. That's what makes it so extraordinary, because you're going to stand out from the crowd. You're going to stand out from the competition out there and really be able to charge top dollar for the videos that you create with Sketch Genius.